Welcome to the videos on educational research methodology. We will be talking anything and everything about educational methodology. Research is a systematic search for knowledge that purifies, improves upon human life. It involves a journey from known to unknown, seeking solutions through scientific method. Curiosity and inquisitiveness drives us to research, leading to new discoveries, leading to new inventions. Educational research specifically focuses on solving problems in the field of education. It builds on existing theories, it builds on existing practices, aiming to modify, accommodate, or even reject them based as on the evidences. So that is what educational research is all about. It's a systematic body of knowledge. It's a journey from unknown to known, inquisitive in design, probably collection of data, and probably it validates a theory per se. So, sources of acquiring knowledge is through learned authority from whatever has been published previously, traditions, whatever there is in the customs, experience from your own experiences, and scientific method of empiricism, rationalism, and fideism, as the case might be. So, characteristic, it is highly purposeful. It deals with educational problems regarding students and teachers, as well as everyone associated with it. It is precise, definitely objective, scientific, and a systematic process of investigation. It attempts to organize data qualitatively. It attempts to arrange data quantitatively also to arrive to a statistical inference or conclusion. It discovers new facts in new perspective. It is based on some philosophical theory. It depends on the researcher's ability to ingenuity and experiences for interpretations and conclusion. This is very, very important. Now, steps. Identify the gap in the knowledge. This you need to identify what is my gap in the knowledge, as the case might be. Based upon it, can we go to the precedents or antecedent causes? What causes this gap? Stating the goal is to fill this gap, right? Formulate an hypothesis, collect relevant information, testing the hypothesis, interpreting the findings, comparing the findings with prior research findings, and modifying theory thereby. And that is what needs to be understood time and again. This is these are the steps if research: identifying the gap, identifying antecedent or causes, stating the goals, formulating hypothesis, collecting relevant data, testing the hypothesis, interpreting the findings, comparing the findings with the previous research findings, and modifying your theories as on when on basis. So yes, we are talking about science, we are talking about education, we're talking about researches around it. Relationship of sciences provide the foundation for understanding the world around us and how it functions. Education helps us to apply scientific knowledge to solve problems and make informed decisions. Education research improves the educational practices by investigating effective teaching methods, learning process, and student outcome. Science, education research are interconnected and often are independent. They work together to advance human knowledge, understanding, and progress thereby. So let us address one at a time. Scientific methods are sets of technique for investigating a phenomena, for acquiring a new knowledge. It involves a process of objectively establishing facts through testing and experimentation. Five steps in scientific method. They are identifying or defining the problem. Then comes the formulating the hypothesis, implicating the hypothesis through deductive reasoning per se, collection and analysis of evidence. Last but not the least is verifying the hypothesis thereby. That is what is very, very important. Now let us understand the ethical consideration of research. Remember, it is also comprising a set of at least four principles: that of confidentiality, anonymity, potential for harm, and transparency. Four principles. Confidentiality ensures the participants' privacy, protects them from potential negative impact or consequences. Anonymity is protects the identifiers of the respondent in the very first place. Once you have protected the identities, there are no question of getting somebody penalized. Potential for harm, a crucial factor in deciding whether a research study should proceed. Transparency, promote values of openness, transparency in this process. The paradigm of research in terms of educations. One, the meaning derived from Greek meaning exhibiting side by side, representing fundamental relationships. Functions organize information to understand large pattern and abstraction insights. Component includes commitment, question, methods, and procedures guiding scientific work. Layers composed of various abstraction level coexisting and influencing each other's. Impact determine how problems are selected, how problems are approached, how they are researched. Evolution is paradigm evolved through revolutions triggered by unexplained observation, unexplained behavior. Results, new paradigms are created entirely from newer understanding of the world, leading to reinterpretation of the existing theories, of the existing facts, as the case might be. So, four paradigms of education are positivism, interpretism, critical theory, and pragmatism. Positivism, interpretism, critical theories, and pragmatism, as the case might be. The types of researches are always fundamental, applied, and action research. Fundamental, basically, what has been there in published, applied is something which you are seeing in action, and experimenting and action research is ensuring what you have learned from the applied research, ensuring in the real life world. With this, I come to an end of this presentation. Thank you for watching this video till the end.